Hi, I'm Russ with Dulaney Drafting and Design, and this is Shining 3D's new Einstar 3D scanner. I'm really excited to open this up, but just briefly, I wanted to say thank you very much to Shining 3D for sending this to me. I'm very honored to be a part of the ambassador program of theirs, and so let's get started. So I just received this yesterday, and I'm opening it up for the very first time right now. Okay. Oh wow, that looks nice. They have this nice case for it here. It's got the Shining 3D logo on there. It says scanner. And it's got a handle. It's got spots here. I'm sure they give you a strap for it to carry it around. And then this is probably the power supply, power cord. Yep, that's what we got there. Okay, and that's everything in the box. So let's get into the goods here. Wow, so there it is. Okay, obviously this is the scanner itself. You want to get your eyes on that. Very nice. Yeah, you can see there's a lot going on with this scanner. I'm going to have to learn this one, but this isn't your beginner hobby scanner. It seems this is like almost looks like very high end. I've seen their other scanners like the HX. If you might have seen, it's been about a year I've been working with this company, Shining 3D. I love them. They're great. Their scanners are great. And I think that you need to take into consideration that I've purchased other 3D scanners and I have not been impressed. It's been very underwhelming, all the 3D scanning technology that I've seen up until this point, at least within a reasonable price range. So I think this is something great that Shining 3D is starting to do in the realm of 3D scanning. So yeah, this is really nice looking, and I'm very eager to get started using this. If you guys have ideas on projects that you'd like to see, also feel free to let me know in the comments what types of projects you might like to see. I have some ideas, but I'm also willing to hear what you guys might like to see, because this is obviously very exciting. Okay, so here's like a USB cable they have to hook up to your laptop. And here's some kind of adapter. I'm going to have to learn this, get this going, and yep, the power adapter there. And then I'll do more follow-up videos on this as I get better at using it and start doing some more projects with it. So here they have, oh, here's a bunch of the target marker dots. That's nice that they provide that to you so you can get started right away. If you're not aware, with the Shining 3D scanners, sometimes, like with other scanners, it can be a challenge. Say if you're scanning like a large object and you're trying to do it in multiple different passes and actually stitch them together where it's one true proper mesh. Using these marker dots, it makes it so easy, and I'll make videos on that to show you how that works, and it's great how they do that. So it looks like they're giving you a cloth to clean it with as well. And then your quick start guide for more shining ideas. It's got that on there. So in this video, I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing, and like I said, give me some time here to learn how to use the thing and get going on doing a project with it, and look for that video soon. But this is very nice, and again, thank you very much to Shining 3D for choosing me as your ambassador. Please stay tuned, like I said, for more videos on this, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to click the bell for notifications. And one more thing. Happy 3D scanning!